want to set a password on your Excel file to open or modify in the Excel file. After that, we will see how to set the password for to delete rows and column in the Excel sheet. So we are going to set a password on your Excel sheet to secure the sheet. So first we click on file, then click on save as, then click on where you want to save the Excel sheet. Okay, now you select the click on tools, select the general option. Here you can set password, then second password for modify, click OK, then confirm password for open, then again enter the password for modify, click OK, save. Yes, now your file is saved with the password. So you also set your password on your Excel sheet, then comment the password is working for you. So now second option is to protect your sheet. Then you click on protected workbook, click on protect current sheet. Here you can select like delete rows, delete column. So you can see that if we can set password, then we are able to delete the rows. Okay, now again re-enter the password, click OK. Now your sheet is protected to delete any column or rows. So now you can select rows, click on delete. Now you are getting a error that you are trying to delete or the content logged. So your sheet is protected. If you want to change or remove any rows, then click on protected current sheet. Now enter your password, click OK. Now you are able to delete the rows. So this way you will remove the rows if you are protected with the password. Then both the way you can protect your sheet and protect your file. If this video is helpful for you, then subscribe our channel and like this video. Also you can share your feedback like the password is working for you, and also you are try some other option there in the list. There you can set password for from the protected sheet, encrypted password, protect current sheet. So there is many ways you can block from your sheet. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.